Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Boya lavalier microphone. So as you can see, this is a microphone, and if we look at the box, so on the side we've got for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. So on the back we have a few features here. This is a clip-on mic, so you can clip this onto your t-shirt or top. You don't have to hold it around. As we already mentioned, it's good for using with smartphones, DSLRs, etc. It's got an omnidirectional condenser microphone, and it also includes a lapel clip, an LR44 battery, a foam windscreen, and a 1/4 inch adapter. Furthermore, the frequency range here is indicated as 65 Hz to 18 kilohertz, that's 18,000 Hz. We've got sensitivity of minus 30 dB to plus minus 3 dB, and an output impedance of 1000 ohms or less. The connector, it uses a 3.5 mm connector, and I mean that's about it. It's got a weight of 2.5 grams on the mic itself, but the power module weighs 18 grams. So let's get the microphone out of the box. Oh, it's a nice little bag. It's quite heavy actually. What else do we have? We have the user manual, and we have it's a warranty card. Yeah. So let's keep the box aside. Let's keep the user manual aside as well, and let's see inside this little bag. So inside the bag you have the mic itself and the module. The module, like the box mentions, it's slightly heavy at 18 grams. Inside the bag you've also got this little baggie. You've got the foam windscreen in here, and you've also got the 1/4 inch or the 6.3 mm adapter, and you've got the lapel clip basically to clip the microphone to your wherever it's convenient, and you've also got a little battery here for the module, we're guessing. Yeah. And anything else inside the bag? Oh, yes, there is something else. Oh, silicone. Okay. So that's all there is inside the Boya M1 lavalier microphone. Thanks for watching.